The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is this pretty satin stitch flower with the French knots in the middle. There's also one up here. For this you'll need a full strand of embroidery floss, so put that on your biggest needle and go ahead and tie a knot in one end. On the pattern, that flower is just going to look like a circle, a bigger circle with a smaller circle on the inside. So I've got my outer circle and my inner circle. So I'm going to start on the outside and stitch through and then come to the inside circle like that. And rather than continue around, I'm going to, like I said, break it up into sections. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to break it in to 1/4 of a section. And then I just continue to do that, breaking that in half. And then each part in half again. And don't worry about on this flower making your satin stitch perfect. You kind of want there to be a little bit of a difference in height because you want it to look like a flower, not a donut. So just continue just doing random stitches. And then I'm going to come back and do the same thing with this section. And then once I'm done with that 1/4, I go ahead and break it off into another 1/4 of a section. And do the same by splitting that one in half and then half again. So once you've finished that, you can go ahead and turn your work over and just thread your needle around in the back a couple of times and then trim off your ends. And that's how you make the outside of the flower. I'll show you how to make the French knots on the inside in the next video.